Many 2025 GMC owners are experiencing infotainment system issues like black screens, audio loss, and Bluetooth disconnections. Before trying a factory reset, let's explore soft reset methods that can resolve these problems without losing your personal settings. These issues are widespread across 2025 GMC models. The good news is that a soft reset can often resolve these problems quickly and easily. A soft reset restarts your infotainment system without erasing any of your personal settings, paired devices, or preferences. It simply clears temporary glitches that may be causing problems. Method 1 uses the steering wheel controls. This works specifically for GMC systems with Google built in. First, make sure your vehicle is in park, then locate the End Call button on your steering wheel. Press and hold the End Call button for about 20 seconds. Ignore any service screen that appears and keep holding until the center display turns off. The system will automatically reboot after 5 to 10 seconds. Method 2 uses the physical power button, which is often integrated into the volume knob on your dashboard. Press and hold this button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes completely blank. After the screen goes blank, release the button and wait a few moments for the system to reset itself. Then, press the power button again to turn the unit back on. Method 3 is an alternative steering wheel approach. You'll need to locate both the back or home button near the audio controls and the end call button on your steering wheel. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. This combination will trigger the soft reset process. Method 4 is the simplest approach, a complete vehicle power cycle. Park your car in a safe location and turn off the engine completely. Make sure all power accessories like lights and radio are shut down. Wait about 5 minutes to allow the system to clear any temporary glitches, then restart your engine. This method allows all electronic systems to fully reset. These soft reset methods should resolve most common infotainment issues without losing any of your personal settings. Try them in order, starting with the steering wheel method. If these don't work, you may need to consider a factory reset, which we'll cover in the next section. When soft resets haven't resolved your infotainment issues, a factory reset may be necessary. This process will erase all personal settings and downloaded apps, so use it as a last resort. To perform a factory reset when your system is still responsive, follow these steps. First, navigate to the GMC IntelliLink home screen. Next, select Settings from the main menu. Look for the Settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Return to Factory Settings. This option will restore your system to its original state. If your infotainment system is completely unresponsive, you can perform a hard reboot by disconnecting the vehicle's battery. This method should only be used when other options have failed. First, locate your vehicle's battery, which is typically found under the hood. Use a wrench to carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal, marked with a minus sign. Wait approximately 15 minutes to ensure all residual power drains from the system. This waiting period is crucial for a complete reset. Before attempting any reset, try these troubleshooting tips. First, check for software updates in your system settings under System, then Vehicle Software, then Updates. If you're experiencing Bluetooth connectivity issues, try limiting the number of paired devices. Too many connected devices can cause performance problems. If problems persist after trying these methods, contact GMC IntelliLink support at 1-800-462-8782 or visit your local GMC dealership for professional assistance. Important notice: General Motors is aware of widespread infotainment issues affecting 2024 and 2025 models. Dealers have been advised not to replace systems until an official solution is available. Be patient and watch for technical service bulletins with updates.